Hello, my name is Kaylee Case. I'm a representative for the Pennsylvania State Government, and today we will be talking about the effects of the coronavirus. So more specifically, we'll be going over precautions that we are encouraging everyone to take, the changes you will be seeing locally, and how Harrisburg University is personally responding to the coronavirus. So, the preventive measures we are encouraging all Pennsylvanians to take are to wear masks in public. So try to, if you have disposable ones, wear those. If you're able to make one out of fabric or purchase one somehow, just leave the house with something covering your face. It just makes it less likely for the particles to come in contact with your mouth from other people or for you to spread it. Wash your hands often and properly. So the biggest thing is people aren't properly washing their hands. You sing happy birthday twice, use hot soapy water anytime you come home. That should be the first thing you're doing, just so if you would have it on your hands, you're not spreading it to the rest of your house. Avoid touching your face. So once you go out in public and have that mask on, try not to touch it or move it or touch any part of your face. Consistently disinfecting surfaces, so surfaces that you're handling a lot. So that could be like door handles, especially outside door handles when you're coming in. Steering wheels to maybe keep in your car, because those are the surfaces that are most likely come in contact with your hands after you may have touched something that could have the virus on it. And then practicing social distancing. So the biggest thing with that is just don't come in contact with people you don't need to come in contact to. Try to only leave the house when it's a major necessity, and then just try to stay with just the people that live within your household, no one outside of that. Changes you're going to be seeing locally, so all K through 12 schools will be closed for the remainder of the school year. It was originally just to be about a 3 or so week period, but we are keeping them closed for the remainder of the school year. Non-essential businesses will be closed, so that will be businesses such as like hair salons, nail salons, anything that is not life-sustaining will be closed. Stay-at-home orders in effect for all counties. It was originally just a few counties, but now every county in PA is at a stay-at-home order. That's just trying to enforce the social distancing, and again, create as little contact as possible to have as little spread of the virus as possible. We just want to keep it as contained as we can. And then along with that is also no large gatherings. So there will be no church services, again, no school, no large groups of people, because that would just be thriving grounds for the virus. So, your own school, Harrisburg University, is also taking its own measures. As of Friday, March 13th, they declared that the rest of spring classes will be held online. So there will be no classes from March 16th to the 18th, and then we will be resuming online March 19th. There will not be a graduation ceremony this year. It will be held online. And then your school has any resources you could need online. The student ones are all still available. You can talk to your student success coordinators, all that still. And then they have a specific website with information and updates, which is covid.harrisburgu.edu. So any new information that you need to be aware of will be on that website. So in conclusion, you should be aware of all these things, the precautions you should be taking, the changes you're going to see locally, such as business closures and whatnot, Harrisburg University's response, and the biggest thing is to stay home and stay safe. And I hope you all have a great day.